If I say A, you say Abacha. A. Abacha. I know you've heard of Abacha. Show me who doesn't like Abacha. Let me tell the person you are missing. Abacha is one delicious meal, a delicacy everyone is supposed to taste. So don't go anywhere. I'll show you how to prepare this delicious meal. Welcome to Dioma Kitchen, where delicious creations begin. I'll start by unwrapping the Ugba, which is gotten from oil-bean seed, tie it in a nylon and steam. Then the Kpomo, I'll also boil this, pour out the water, then season it later. We will need garden egg leaves and garden egg, Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, dry fish and prawns. After washing the fish and prawn thoroughly, boil it with little salt and one seasoning cube, because you don't want it to be too salty. After cooking for about 5 minutes, bring it out in a separate plate, then add more seasoning cube and salt to taste to the stock so it can cook. I don't like using raw seasoning cubes and salt when making abacha. Soak the abacha in warm water. After it's soft, don't allow it to over soak. At least it should still be a bit hard, because even after bringing it out from the water and putting it in a strainer, it will still be soaking. So you don't want your abacha to be too soft. Allow to strain and let the water dry out gradually. It's time to mix our abacha. Yes. So put the red oil in a dry pot. Then we add the ungo. Ungo is an alternative for potash. It's a healthy alternative for potash. So you mix it very well until you get the desired thickness. You can see the color is changing. This is what will tell you that you have a very nice ungo. See the thickness? Delicious. So mix and mix and mix. Then we put the Ugba. You mix it. Add the Scotch bonnet pepper, grounded crayfish, and the boiled dry fish and prawn. Then the seasoned stock. Mix everything together. Mix thoroughly. I like mixing all these ingredients first before putting the abacha, because it will make the abacha get the sweetness of the sauce, and you don't need to over mix it. So you mix it well. In Igbo language you say wakataya igbo abacha. That is, you mix abacha. So you mix it well. God, how I wish you can just have a taste, but you can by making yours, and you will not regret it. You can steam it for about a minute so that it can be warm. Abacha owa. Yes, abacha don't set. Aya, bring your spoon, let us eat, let us dig in. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, follow, subscribe to Dioma Kitchen for more delicious creations. Thanks for watching.